So my name's Sandor Berta. I'm the Quality, Safety, Environment and Facilities Manager at the L'Oreal Distribution Centre. So we've implemented the food cubes in 2022 as part of a biodiversity project. So our association with Biofilter has been great so far. So yeah, it's working wonders, as you can see from the garden. So the idea behind the urban farm or community garden is dating back to 2021 when we first introduced our beehives. We were thinking about what kind of flowers we can put in for their pollen. We decided to go with a garden, a vegetable garden, in order to provide produce for our staff. And we've partnered with the local government and also involved local disadvantaged communities to also take part in the garden and also benefit from the produce.
Yeah, so we have approximately 60 food cubes. I don't know how large that is, but it takes up a section of our front car parking area that is not used by staff. So it's a good way to use the area and also get some massive benefits from it. The main beneficiaries of the urban farm are our staff. We also have local community groups. So they also come in onto our site. They maintain the garden, but also take the produce home to their families. So there's a benefit for everyone on site. It helps with mental health, also with getting some organic food, and just relaxing in the garden, socialising, learning skills in gardening. So it's a benefit for everyone. Very effective. So the food cubes require minimum maintenance. They're at a really good height, so ergonomically they're really good. No need for bending down. And most important thing is they're very efficient with water. So they have a reservoir underneath that holds water, and then wicking on the sides, which brings the water up to the surface, so that the vegetables or plants are always in the moist soil. So any of the waste from the garden goes into our composting stations. We also compost our food waste from our lunchrooms on site. The community groups also bring in their own seedlings to plant. So yeah, it's a community project that works really well. Yeah, absolutely. So the farm has been great in providing an area for our staff, firstly, to hold outdoor meetings. So we have benches and things in between the garden where people can hold outdoor meetings. They can come here during their breaks and socialise. Also, the community groups that come on our site also socialise amongst each other, learning new skills such as how to garden. So it's been a real benefit in that sense. I guess the biggest thing I've taken out of this is the way people interact and the way that the urban farm makes people feel. So I think in regards to mental health, it's a big benefit because people feel less stress when they come out here. They can relax, enjoy nature, enjoy benefits of fresh juice. Yeah, so I guess from a technical point of view, the food cubes are fantastic in the water efficiency. So there's minimum watering required. So they hold water in a reservoir underneath, and then wicking the sides allows the water to come up to the surface and always keeps the plants moist. We had, I guess, about a third of the cubes last year, and we had lots of produce. I don't know how much in kilograms, but lots. Now that we have a lot more food cubes, I'm expecting massive amount of produce. L'Oreal is very, very big on sustainability. So it's one of our key drivers, and that's why we initially started this project for our biodiversity footprint, to improve the footprint. So yeah, it's a massive factor that it's all made out of recycled plastics. I highly recommend food cubes. Prior to this project, I didn't really know much about food cubes, but after this project, I personally want to get food cubes at home. It's been a massive factor in providing a highly sustainable urban farm for our site, and also benefiting our staff and our local communities in regards to improving mental health, socialising, gaining skills, and providing organic produce. So yeah, thumbs up.